Hello students, welcome to channel Maths Mint by Kamlesh. It is a question for class 11 Maths exercise 4.1, question number 7 from NCERT book. Chapter is Mathematical Induction. Question is prove the following by using the principle of mathematical induction for all number belong to natural number n. 1.3 plus 3.5 plus 5.7 plus 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 will be equal to n into 4n square plus 6n minus 1 divided by 3. This is the question we have already solved such type of question from 1 to 5, and all questions will be solved in the same way. For solving such type of question we have to go through 4 steps. First step is step 1. In step 1 we let the equation as p of n. This is the first step. Let the given equation be p of n. This is first step. So that is p of n will be equal to 1.3 plus 3.5 plus 5.7 plus plus 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 will be equal to n into 4n square plus 6n minus 1 by 3. This is the first step. We have already solved such type of question from 1 to 5. Step 2 is for n equal to 1, so p of n will be 1, and that is equal to first number is 1.3. 1.3 will be equal to 1 into 3 equal to 3, right? So LHS this one 1.3, LHS will be 3 and RHS will be this one. N means 1, 4 into 1 square plus 6 into 1. At the place of n we are writing 1 minus 1 by 3. So if this will be multiplied by 1, it will be equal to this only, because any number multiplied by 1 will be same. So it will be 4 into 1 square will be 4 plus 6, 1 into 6, 6 minus 1 by 3. So it will be 4 plus 6, 10 minus 1 equal to 9 by 3 will be equal to 3, and our LHS is also 3. So we can write here, since LHS equal to RHS, so P of n is true for n is equal to 1. This is second step. And in third step, so for first number this is true. For any number, suppose it is k, it will be true, and then we shall find k plus 1, right? Step 3 will be let p of k be true for some positive integer k. Then p of k will be equal to 1.3 plus 3.5 plus 5.7 plus plus, and at the place of 2n minus 1 we can write 2k minus 1, because at the place of n we are writing k, because number of integer is k, into 2k plus 1, 2n plus 1 we are writing 2k plus 1 will be this, n is equal to k, so it will be k, and it will be 4k square plus 6k minus 1 by 3. Right? This is our equation 1. We have supposed this one as equation 1. Now step 4. Now we shall prove that pk plus 1 is also true. So first one number 1.3 n is equal to 1. K is any integers, positive integers, that may be second term, third term, fourth term, and if this and next term will be k plus 1, if this will be proved, automatically this both will be proved, and it means this is true for all the terms, right? So step 4 is now we shall prove that pk plus 1 is also true. So we shall write p k plus 1 will be equal to 1.3 plus 3.5 plus 5.7 plus dot plus this one 2k minus 1, 2k plus 1 plus this is up to here, and next k plus 1, it is up to k, and now k plus 1, so we shall write 2k plus 1 minus 1 into 2k plus 1 plus 1. So this is 2 of this question. N is k plus 1 minus 1 is here, 2 is here. For n we are writing k plus n plus 1 is equal to here. It will be equal to this one, n means k plus 1 into this will be 4n square. So it will be 4. N is equal to k plus 1 square plus 6. N is equal to k plus 1 minus 1. Okay, by 3. Right? So up to here, from this place to this, it is equal to equation 3. So by equation 1, this is up to here, it is equation 2k plus 1, 2k plus 1, it is equal to k, 4k square plus 6k minus 1 by 3. So at this place we will put this one. Okay, so k by putting value from equation 1, it will be k 4k square plus 6k minus 1 by 3. It is up to here. Okay, now this is 2 k plus 1 minus 1 into 2k plus 1 minus 1 into 2k plus 1 plus 1 will be equal to this k plus 1 4k plus 1 square plus 6k plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so this is LHS and this is RHS. If we shall prove this, it means P of k plus 1 is also true, then it will be also true, and it is already true, right? So we shall write it 4k square means 4k cube plus 6k square minus k by 3 plus this will be 2k plus 2 minus 1 into 2k plus 2 plus 1 up to LHS, and RHS will be k plus 1, this will be 4, and k plus 1 whole square will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it will be a square plus 2ab means 2, a means k, b means 1. So it will be 2k and b square will be 1. 1 square will be 1 plus 6k plus 6k plus 6 minus 1. Right? Again 4k cube plus 6k square minus k by 3 plus 2k plus 1, 2 minus 1, 2k plus 1, and it will be 2k, 2 plus 1, 3 will be k plus 1, and it will be 4k square plus 4 into 2, 8k plus 4 into 1, 4. This will be plus 6k, 6 minus 1 will be 5. Right? So now we shall take LCM as 3. It will be 3 and it will be 4k3 plus 6k square minus k plus 3 into this will be multiplied 2k plus 2k, 4k square, 2k plus 3, 6k, 1 multiplied by 2k will be 2k plus 3. Right? Here it will be k plus 1 into 4k square plus 8 and 6, 14k and 4, 14k, it is 5. So it is 4k square, 8k plus 4. So it will be 5. 6 minus 1 will be plus 5. So 4 plus 5 will be 9. Okay. 4k square, 8k plus 6k, 14k, 4 plus 5, 9. It is minus 6 minus 1. 6 is plus, so it will be plus 5. Right? So it will be 4k cube plus 6k square minus k plus 3 into 4, 12k square, and this will be all equal to, this will be by 3. In right hand side it is by 3, so it will be by 3, it will be also by 3, it will be also by 3, and it will be also by 3. Right? And 6 into 3, 18k plus 6k plus 3 3 is 9 by 3 equal to, if we shall multiply by k, it will be 4k cube plus 14k square plus 9k, and from 1 it will be 4k square plus 14k plus 9 by 3. This 3 and this 3 will be cancelled. So now it will be 4k3, 6k square, 12k square will be 18k square. This will be 18 plus 6, 24, minus k will be plus 23k plus 9. In this side also 4k cube 14 plus 14k square plus 4k square is equal to 18k square, 14k square, 4 square, 18k square, and 9k plus 14k will be 23k, and plus 9 is here. So LHS is equal to RHS. So we shall write here, hence LHS equal to RHS. So P of k plus 1 is also true whenever P of k is true. Hence, by principle of mathematical induction, P of n is true for all number belonging to natural number n. This is our answer. Okay, this is a long question. You will see more than one time. If you have any doubt, if you have liked it, please share and subscribe it. And if you have any doubt, please write in comment box. I will answer it. Thanks.